Teasing you. That bird, huh? Here it comes. It's just teasing you, Appa. That's funny. Come here, birdie. Again. Come here, birdie. Man, if there was no window, we'd just jump at it, huh? You would just get it. It just keeps coming back. Eat me. Cómeme. That bird doesn't know how lucky it is. Maybe it does. Two birdies. Oh, hummingbird. Hey, leave the hummingbird alone. Birdie. All right, I'm going to keep this going until it leaves. Hasta que se vaya. Look at it. It's teasing you. I know. Ooh, a bigger bird came. Oh, it left. Come here, birdie. That's funny. He came right to All right, again. Come on. Come here. Okay, I want it again. He's gonna give you. No, he's not gonna give you anything. Never mind. It left. Ya se fue. Oh, your friend left. Your teasing friend.